Hello, welcome everybody. Hello, Cancer. This is a love reading for Cancer in love for the next 10 days. So, please subscribe to my channel. Your support matters and it helps my channel grow. So, please subscribe to the channel and like the video for more updates on love readings and other readings I would be uploading for you all in the near future. So, let's begin the reading. So Cancer in love, the love connection you are in. So let's see. Alright, so let's see. Cancer, you are looking for justice. You are in the situation where you are getting justice, or you are getting things right for you. You are setting things right. You are getting things right. You are getting divine justice of karma that has played out in the past with this person. So things are getting right for you. You are going through a change in this this is a change which is like a phase in itself for you. This is based on what played out in this connection on a deeper level for you, on a soul level for you. So this is a very deep change for you. You are going through. So that's why justice here. And so the internal challenge here is that you have had a very tough situation with this person. So you are holding your boundaries up and you are not ready to go ahead with this connection at the moment. You are waiting for things to become more friendlier for you, because you're holding your guards up in this situation. So you're not ready to go all in at this point, or even begin anything with this situation at this point. You are not ready to get involved with this connection right now. You walked away from the connection, and because of the situation, the mental struggles you had with this connection, the traps you had with this connection, the suffering you had with this connection, that is why you walked away from this connection. That is why you are getting justice right now, because you feel like you did the right thing in the connection and you finally are getting your justice. So you walked away from the connection. 8 of Cups here. So you are functioning from a place where things were not done right with you, right to you, and you felt betrayed, you felt upset, you felt hurt, and lots of damage done to you by the other person in the connection. So you feel like justice has to play out for you. You deserve justice. So in the past there were fights going on, there were mind games being played, there were manipulation happening, there were third party influences, there were a lot of factors, other people involved in the connection trying to interfere with the connection, and a lot of suffering happened because of that. Because of the external influences, a lot of damage was done to the connection. So this is what can be seen here in this reading. You intend to end the toxicity in and around the connection. You want the connection to heal. You want to remove the third party influences. You want to work to be leading the connection. You want the other person to lead, or you want yourself to lead the connection. You want there to be efforts in the connection, because a lot of mind games were played, a lot of hot and cold behavior, toxic behavior, manipulations, unhealthy attachments were involved in this connection. So this was not a healthy connection for you. You aim to in the future have a healthier connection and not this toxic thing that played out in this connection for you, because you want justice now. So this was very unhealthy for you. In the near future, you have the 10 of Cups, so your dream of a happy life with this person is coming true. So you see a happy, fulfilled life with the person, so that's what's coming for you. That's what I see in the near future for you. So the healing takes place. If there was a lot of pain and hurt in the connection in the past because of other influences and your own internal struggles and the struggles of the other person, so a lot of pain happened in the connection, and now you're finally healing and getting your 10 of Cups, happy, fulfilled, ever after kind of life. So this is a happy, fulfilled relationship you're getting. So the lovers here, this is a fulfilling connection for you, like the best connection that can happen for you. Getting success, victory in the connection, like you're manifesting. There is a whole lot of healing happening, balancing things out, and success and manifestations will happen for you as you desire. Desire will grow in the connection. So happy, fulfilled connection is coming up. So you are approaching the situation with this person romantically, or you want the other person to be romantic. You have romantic ideas about this connection. You are romanticizing this connection. You feel there is romance existing in this connection. You want there to be romance in this connection. This is you're treating it as a romantic connection. So that's how you're going forward with this. There is a desire for a happy married partnership in the connection. That is what is influencing this connection from the other side, the other party. And there is a desire for fulfilled, committed relationship. There is a happy relationship that is on the cards, that is desired by you all. So a happy, successful life, celebration for this connection, celebrated connection, celebrations in the connections, happy married life, happy partnership, fulfilling connection, happy, free, joyful connection. So this is what this connection is desired to be. So you want to be fulfilled in the connection. You want to be happy, joyful in the connection. You want to be peaceful in the connection. You want to have a healed connection with your partner. You want to have emotional comfort, safety, balance in the connection. You want there to be emotional stability in the connection. You want there to be love, balanced love in the connection. And you want there to be emotional fulfillment and relief from what you have dealt with in the past. So you want there to be a happy relationship, and this is what both parties want. So this is how it has to be for you. This is how you desire it. So in the future, there is moving away from a lack mindset. There is growth, change happening. There is better time coming for you. Better times are coming for you. There is positivity coming for you. There is the lack, which there was the dark phase that you all were going through, and the suffering that you were facing, that part is changing, and you are going through in the future the outcome that I see. You are moving to calmer waters. So you are having, getting over the imbalance. So the imbalance is being removed from the connection. If somebody was over giving and somebody was just taking in the connection, so that part is changing. There is leadership happening in the connection. So the person who's supposed to lead in the connection will be leading in the connection. There is a reunion happening. There is friendship that's taking place. There is a happy celebration that's taking place in the connection. So things are working out for you. This is what I see for you as the outcome. So everything is looking good for you. 3 of Cups, the celebration card. So friendship is being renewed and a revival is taking place. So all good that's coming for you. So this is what I see for you. I hope this resonates. I hope this made sense and you got something out of the reading that helps you. And please subscribe to my channel for more amazing readings and which help you grow and your relationship to develop and prosper. And please like my video, and thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.